In this video, I will show you file system error code is this in Windows 10 or 11. So how to fix it? This error code is this system file error code is this. So how to fix it? So this is very easy and simple way to fix. First you need to in search bar type cmd. Now right click on command prompt. Now click on run as administrator. Now you need to type this command line, this sfc space less scan now. Now press enter. Now wait some few seconds, this process will be complete. If this process will be 100%, so type second command I will give in description box, just copy and paste it. So after this whole process will be complete, so close it and restart your computer or PC. So hopefully guys, after restart your all problem will be fixed. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.